Okay, this is going to be rough at first. It's tough taking video at night. The pictures look even worse, but I wanted to show you the LEDs and the integrated taillight along with the HID headlights. So I'll try to go through this as quick as possible. Got a remote control. All it does is turn on the accent lighting, which, because of the lean, is the reason it's not dead centered. It's hard to see the motorcycle, I know, but got LEDs tucked in. It's very, very light. It's not a hard accent. It's not super, super bright, but you can definitely be seen from the road with no problem. Alright, let's go to the taillight. The taillight's integrated. There's 18 different settings for it. There's a, I know you can't see yet, but there's a switch right here on the side that chooses the modes. There are two different modes and standard. Standard is just how the bike comes stock. This one that I have programmed turns the taillight going Cylon style or Night Rider, whichever you prefer. And then the other one I actually use when I have to pull over to the side of the road. That's kind of a warning deal. Anyways, those are the two pre-selected ones that I have programmed. There's 18 different ones, and I'll show you them right now as this cycles through, that you can program with the brake. There's a PDF online on how to do it. It's pretty simple. But for right now, those are the two modes that it's set in. I'm going to try to turn this forward and get to my taillight as quickly as possible. And now it's cycling through the different modes that you can program it to. As you're about to see, the red and blues is the reason they don't sell these anymore, and I do not suggest you programming into those. When I bought this motorcycle, one of the switches was programmed to the red and blues, and I changed that really quick. Anyways, let's turn her on. Your battery needs a charge. There's your HIDs. Show about those. Another signal course, you'll have to check that out. Obviously, I'm going low on gas, but hopefully we can get some mileage. There's the mileage as of right now. When you get it, hopefully I'll put it in a couple hundred miles. That's the TARDIS at nighttime. And the HIDs are the standard headlights, and there are a set of lights, which is separate from the HID.